Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So we're diving into the Breville fully automatic espresso machine, the Oracle Touch, today.
And pitting it against the Nespresso Gran Lattissima by DeLonghi. This is for anyone serious about their morning brew.
Absolutely. The Breville, being the Oracle Touch, is practically a barista in a box. It handles everything from grinding to tamping. It even boasts a professional dual boiler.
The Nespresso, on the other hand, is all about speed and simplicity. Pop in a pod and you're good to go. Perfect for busy mornings.
Exactly. The Breville's integrated conical burr grinder lets you use fresh beans and control the grind size for optimal flavor extraction. It automatically doses 22 grams of freshly ground coffee.
With the Nespresso, you're committed to their capsules, but they offer a wide range of original line flavors and intensities. They include bestsellers like Capriccio Intensity 5 and Ispirazione Ristretto Intensity 10. True, but the Breville takes personalization to another level. You can tweak the grind, milk temperature, and texture, and save up to 8 custom coffee settings. Imagine dialing in your para perfect latte.
That's a lot of control. The Nespresso is more about pre-programmed convenience. Choose your pod, press a button for espresso, cappuccino, or latte macchiato. And that touchscreen on the Breville, it walks you through the process.
The Nespresso features a built-in milk frother, which is super convenient for milk-based drinks. It even has a cleaning function.
The Breville counters with automatic microfoam milk texturing and a self-cleaning steam wand. It's designed to create that velvety microfoam essential for latte art.
Fancy indeed.
Breville claims it delivers third-wave specialty coffee right in your kitchen.
The Nespresso aims for consistent, cafe-quality drinks with minimal effort. Now, size-wise, the Breville is a beast, weighing in at over 37 pounds with dimensions of 14.7 x 14.5 x 17.6 inches. You'll need some counter space.
The Nespresso is much more compact. It's designed to fit easily on your countertop without dominating the space.
So it really boils down to a trade-off. Hands-on control versus push-button ease.
Exactly. If you're a coffee enthusiast who enjoys experimenting and perfecting your espresso, the Breville offers unparalleled control and features.
But if you prioritize speed, convenience, and consistent results with a wide variety of flavors, the Nespresso is likely the better choice, especially if you value a smaller footprint.
Precisely. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.